Ciao, I'm Chiara from Filo e Segno and welcome back to my channel. Today I will show you how to crochet this very easy poncho, beginner friendly design using basic crochet stitches. For this project I use 2 skeins of Van Gogh from Mondial. You can find more information in the description box. A hook number 4 and number 4.5 and 2 wooden buttons. First grab the 4.5mm hook and now we will need to work a foundation chain with a multiple of 3 plus 2. So we are going to chain 47. Okay, now we do 1 double crochet in the 4th chain from hook. Then we do 1 double crochet in each chain along. Okay, now we have 45 double crochets. So now chain 3, then turn your garment over, and this counts as your first double crochet. And now we do 1 double crochet in each stitch down the row. Okay, now grab the smaller crochet hook. Chain 3, this counts as your first double crochet, then turn your garment over. And now we do 1 double crochet, chain 1 and 1 double crochet in the next stitch. And this is the first V stitch. Now we skip the next stitch, then we do another V stitch in the next one. Skip the next stitch. Then we do another V stitch in the next one. So 1 double crochet, chain 1, then 1 double crochet. Skip the next and do the same until the end of this row. Skip the next stitch, then we do the last V stitch, so 1 double crochet, chain 1, then 1 double crochet in the same stitch, and then we do 1 double crochet into the last stitch. Now chain 3, this counts as your first double crochet, then turn the work. And now we are going to work into the chain 1 space of each V stitch of the previous row. So now we move directly into the first where we do another V stitch. So we do 1 double crochet, chain 1, then 1 double crochet in the same space. And now we jump into the next chain 1 space of the V stitch, where we do another V stitch. And continue to repeat this until the end of this row. Now we do the last V stitch into the last V stitch of the previous row. Then we do 1 double crochet in the 3rd chain to complete this row. So all we have to do now is to repeat this last row until we reach the desired length. So let's repeat this last row together one more time. First chain 3, this counts as your first double crochet, then turn the garment over. Now we move directly into the first chain 1 space, here, and in each V-stitch. And we do 1 V-stitch, the first V-stitch. Then we jump into the next, where we do another V-stitch, and continue to repeat this until the end of this row. Now we do a V-stitch into the last V-stitch of the previous row, then we do 1 double crochet in the third chain. So now we are going to repeat this last row until we will have a total of 30 rows, or until you reach the length about 34 centimeters or 14 inches. Okay, now my rectangle is about 32 centimeters wide and 34 centimeters high. So now cut the yarn and remember to leave a long tail because we will use it to sew the two rectangles together. And here's another one I've made earlier. So now let's take the shoulder measurement. We attach a marker to the top about 8 centimeters or 3 inches from the corner. Then of course do the same on the other side and place 2 clips on it. And now grab your tapestry needle and begin to sew. Then do the same, of course, on the left side. Okay, now we are going to create a nice finish around the neck and on each side using a simple double crochet stitch. So now insert the hook into the first side. Chain 1, then we do 1 double crochet in the first stitch. And we continue to do 1 double crochet in each stitch down the row. And now we're going to do another row of double crochet. I have 114 double crochets. Pay attention to have the same number on the other side. So chain 1, then turn the garment over. Then we do 1 double crochet in each stitch down the row. So now cut the yarn and do the same in the opposite side. And now we are going to create a nice finish around the neck. So insert the hook, then we do 1 double crochet all the way around. And join with a slip stitch into the first double crochet. So now we are going to do another 2 rounds of double crochet all the way around. Remember to join with a slip stitch into the first double crochet. Okay, now we are ready to cut the yarn, then weave the ends inside the garment using a tapestry needle. Okay, now we are going to sew the wooden button, so take a measurement from the corner down to about half of the garment, so about 16 centimeters or 6 inches. I suggest to place a marker, then we are ready to sew the wooden button in each side using a simple thread and needle. Okay, now let me show you the finished poncho. This child's poncho was made for 2 years old, but you can be adjusted for different sizes. I remember the multiple of 3 plus 2. It's a very easy and quick project, so it's perfect for the beginners. So I hope you enjoyed this video tutorial. Let me know in the comments down below. Remember to tag me on Instagram or Facebook if you create your Van Gogh poncho. I will leave all the links that you need in the description box. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and don't forget to click on bell icon to get notification. Thank you for watching and I see you in the next video. Ciao and tanto love!